Irate locals continue to block the Imphal-Kongba-Yairipok road for the second consecutive day against failure of relevant authority to resume the repair work on this road. Due to this blockade imposed by all Kongba Road United Club organization, commuters are facing inconveniences in accessing this state highway. Speaking on the sidelines, Mayrapabi named Soraisa Mary maintained that the Imphal-Kongba Road, which is used by people of Khetrigao, Thongju and Yai School constituencies, has been lying in pathetic condition for a long time. Several memorandums have been submitted to government in this regard, but they did not get any positive response. As government and relevant authority continue to neglect their requests, the condition of the road became pathetic, with each passing day exposing commuters to risk of accidents. The road turns muddy during rainy season, and at other times it is dusty, leaving people along the road with health hazards. Soraisa Mary further maintained that no government officials came to inquire about the plights of the locals. Therefore, people of these constituencies will continue with their agitation until they get some positive response of concrete assurance.
Kongba-dagina irin bumphawgi lambi si adukimatik phatabaduna nomo-nomogi accident thokpa angang nupi macha nupa macha adagi gari sina main road se chatpa yadramne nakanda leiba lambi khara pharamba si su hojikti kom jare ba chatpa yadreba aduna angang macha chen thorokpa gari sina adukimatik leptana chatpa adu highway chawba asuk chawba ma oriba se akhoigi kanamtana yengjalakta ba haitare satkiba gari mayam sina ukhunja azmana asona na angang nubi leiba ngamdre adai numit kitang mamakpatana pura accident nong kitang churagana like khom na si yoba min da chapa ade angang school ga ba adre like la su tamba chapa loina mo ban oire ba sarkar ne lambi se sembidri bau akoi yengjan bidri bau di akoi di ban si di semdri bau di akoi si ban se toy aduga sidagi hena kan akoi puna mo mai sing nu se loin sing jalani akoi angam ba ko akoi sagi dorani ka thawai me am de mang ding e de kwa